Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin just pumped hard, and it's all thanks to a major announcement. The big man confirmed a crypto reserve, revealing an EO to move forward on a crypto strategic reserve. This includes Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, Sol, ADA, and other valuable Web3 projects. On this news, Bitcoin soared 11.69% from 85,000 to 94,900. This weekly close at 94,200 literally saved the weekly candle after it dipped all the way to 78,200. The visuals on this are wild. The daily looks ultra bullish, despite the red money flow. It's a V-shaped recovery, 4 days down and 3 days up, straight back to 95,000. The 1 hour chart looks like it's searching for support right now, and I think we'll find it at 92,200 until tomorrow, when ETFs can start buying Bitcoin again, based on this positive news. This definitely brings hope back to the market. Also, regret from the sellers who panicked dumped down to 72,000. Now watching Bitcoin push back to the mid-90s. Time to get back in, or the train will leave without you. In other news, apparently, a whale traded this announcement with insider knowledge. He opened two 50x longs on Saturday, one on Bitcoin with 2.3 million margin at an 85,600 entry, and one on ETH with 3.97 million margin at $2,195. The overall position value from both trades was 270.7 million, with a total of 6.3 million margin. 50x leverage is straight up gambling unless you know something in advance. A 2% move down would have wiped out his entire position, with liquidation levels at 83,900 for Bitcoin and 2,151 for ETH. He exited both positions today after the announcement, securing 6 million in profit. Not bad for 1 day of work. To summarize his account P&L, all-time profit is 10.3 million. Last 30 days also 10.3 million, past 7 days 8.2 million, and in the last 24 hours he made 5.89 million. And right now he's holding a 3x long on YGG, a Web3 guild game that launched in 2021. This coin has been a disaster, down 97.6% from its all-time high of $11.17 over 3 years ago. Maybe he knows something, or maybe he's just gambling again. I'll keep you updated daily, so make sure you don't miss out. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts, entries, and exits. Click on the like button if you got value, and hit subscribe plus the bell to stay in the loop. And see you in the next one.